Okay, welcome everyone. Today we are going to look at the steps to create an account on Namecheap. Now, before you can actually do anything on Namecheap, you have to create an account. So today we are going to look at the steps to create an account on Namecheap. To do that, we have to quickly, go straight to our browser and type www.namecheap.com. Then you enter. So that brings us to the website. This is Namecheap website. So how do we create an account? Just up here, let me show you up here. You see sign up and you see sign in. This is where to sign in from. This is where to create an account. Just click on sign up. When you click on sign up, this window brings us to this window. Okay, this is where you fill out this form to create an account. Okay, all right. Now we're going to do it now. All right, here username, we choose a username. Let's call it Craig Doe. Now password, we enter our password like this. Now here, you confirm your password. Just make sure that the first and the second password are the same. Now we head out to fill out our name. My first name should be Craig, then last name Doe. Email address, let's use Ben Shapiro reply at gmail.com. Okay. Now the next thing is to click here where you see create account and continue. So click on that. Boom, our account has been created. The account has been created. So once you create an account, this is what you get. Okay. Here you look at it. The account has been created. Click do. Now here you see expiring and expired domains. If you have already purchased the domain with them, you will see your domains listed. The expired and expiring ones will be listed here. Now this is the list of domains. If you have any, they will be here. Then that's the same thing, domain list and all of that. Sorry, up here you have expired and expired domains or products. So once you click on domain, you see the ones that have expired or the ones that will still expire. Then domain list gives you a list of all the domains you have with Namecheap. Now we do not have any list, any domain. That's why we don't have any domain appearing here. So if you had acquired or bought a host with Namecheap, just down here you will see what's it called again? I think hosting list or so. When you click on it, then you see a red button here that will say go to cPanel. Once you click it, that takes you to cPanel. Okay, that brings us to the end of this class. Next will be how to create an account on Hostinger. Then after that, we'll see cPanel and see how to navigate it and all of that. So thank you and see you in the next class.